Good morning again. Today we are going to finish our antibody ID for the sample that you received in the last lab, and you did the antibody screen. So there are a lot of tubes. It's a 20-cell panel. So I'm going to say very few words. I'm going to tell you the sample number and the tube number and the phase. All right, so I have immediate spins, and we'll let you see. This is sample C, tubes 1 and 2, immediate spin. Tube 1 is on the bottom or the left. Tube 2 on the right. Tube 3 and 4, sample C. Tubes 5 and 6, this is sample C, immediate spin. There it goes. Seven, 8. You see the swirling pattern as the cells come off the button in the bottom. Okay, and 9 and 10. Bottom is 9. Top is 10. This is sample C, immediate spin, tubes 11 and 12. Tube 13 and 14. Tube 13 is on the bottom or the left. Tube 14 is on the top or the right. Tubes 15 and 16. My. Tube 15 is on the bottom or the left. Tube 17 and 18. Everybody get that? 18 does not want to come off very well, but very swirling pattern, and it's on the top or the right. Last is 19 and 20. Is on the bottom and the left. I'm trying to get that where. See how smooth that is. Okay, this is sample C. After 37 degrees incubation with bliss, tubes 1 and 2. Tube 1 is on the bottom and tube 2 is on the top or the left. Tube 1 is on the left or the bottom. Tube 3 and 4. Tube 3 is on the bottom or the left. Tube 5 and 6. Tube 5 is on the bottom or the left. Tube 7 and 8. Tube 7 is on the bottom. I don't know if you're seeing the same pattern that I am. It takes longer if I don't have reaction happening, right? Agglutination. Longer to get those cells off. Tube 7 and tube 8. Tube 9 and tubes 10. Tube 9 is on the bottom or the left. Tube 11 and tube 12 from sample C, 37 degrees. Tube 13 and 14. Is on the bottom or the left. 14, top and right. Look at that one really closely. Okay. This will be tubes 15 and 16. Button turn around. Okay. 15 is on the bottom, 16 is on the top and the right. (17 and 18). Very closely. 17 is the bottom left. And 19, 20. This is sample C. This is after 37 degrees, washing and adding AHG. Okay, try to get this where you can see, especially cell 1, which is at the bottom. Cell 2 is the top or the right. Cell 3 and 4. cell buttons off, 3 and 4. Five and 6. 5 is on the bottom or the left, depending on how this video makes. Okay. AHG. 7 and 8. Seven is on the bottom or the left. 9 and 10. Okay, we're in sample C, tubes 11 and 12, AHG. Tube 13 and 14. Tube 13 is on the bottom in the left. This is 15 and 16. 15 is the bottom left, 16 is the top on the right. 17, 18. 17 is on the bottom. 18 is on the top. Tubes 19 and 20, sample C, AHG. So I know you know what we need to do now. Everything that was negative is going to be read microscopically. All right, so here we go. Bottom is 19, top is 20. This is sample C and this is cell 1, and I did this on purpose just in case you were having trouble on the when I'm reading it from the tube. Now that you can see is agglutination, those clumps, and this is on low magnification. Let me bring it up here. Okay, just so you get an idea of what that's going to look like when you're actually seeing agglutination and that microscopic, or where you're worried. Sample C, tube 2. You see how different this looks. Cells are on top of each other or laying up sideways, but not together. Okay, this is sample C, tube 3. They are really moving, but they're not holding hands, not agglutinated. This is tube 5 of sample C. This is tube 6. Sample C, tube 7. Sample C, tube 4. Okay, this is sample 8. I'm on the lower magnification so you can see a wider distribution of cells. Still, no. This is tube 8. Sample 9. Tube 10. tube 11. This is tube 12. This is tube 14. Just checking. These cells are drying. Okay. This is tube 16, tube 18, tube 19, and they are flying by. So this is tube 20, the last one for sample C. This is sample C. Check cells in tubes 2, 3, and 4. Check cells in 5, 6, and 7. Check cells in tubes 8, 9, and 10. Check cells 11, 12, and 14. Love check cells. Okay, check cells 16, 18, 19, 20. Yay!